I would like to show you today a clamp on flow sensor. It is FD EC-A1C. So we can together unboxing this special sensor, this special flow sensor. So it's very nice sensor because it has zero installation risk, and I think that is associated with conventional flow sensor installation. So let's go to check how does it look like from the inside. So what we have inside? We have inside in the box the manual in the Chinese and in English. So we can see here that we have here the clamp on flow sensor, as I said before, and here we can see the flow sensor. So here is the classical connection, and here we can see the cores of the cables in the connector, and also what is what. So output 1, output 2. Output 1 is for I/O-ing, then 0.7 is 0 volt, and then 8 is pink, and it is the analog out from 4 till 20 milliamperes, 24 volts DC. And then we have here the number 2, it's a brown core, and it's 24 volts DC. And number 1 is purple, and it means external input 1. So it's these connectors. From here we can see nice Keyence, some display, and some information right here. And from the next side we can see the description that it's a Keyence corporation, and some QR code and serial number, I think. So we can open this cover, plastic cover, and then we are able to make some setting. You can see here the set. Then we have here some arrow, to minus arrow and plus arrow, and also some modes, and then HTD, or we can turn to the left or to the right some modes. So I think then that in next video we can make together some testing here with this sensor. Okay, so for now I think that is all. Maybe something from the instruction manual. So we can find here the before operation, installation and wiring, initial settings, basic operation, setup, troubleshooting. So then next video will be about installation, wiring and initial settings. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.